Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make this box on today's Merry Vlogmas video. What I like to do is go to Michael's when these pads are on sale. And for example, last year or the year before, I got this pad that's got 48 sheets in it for $3.99 instead of whatever the regular price is. These with stripes really work well. And sometimes what I'll do is I will make the bottom box out of a plain paper, and then I'll do the top box out of something fancier like this. So then I've got two tops that are fancy with the bottom. An example would be, here's my cardstock top, and here's my cardstock bottom. And then the bottom, which isn't seen, can be plain. Basically, what you're going to do is take one edge and go to the other and make it into a triangle. Alright, now go to the other side and do the same thing. You see that? What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold each of the points in towards the center. That's the reason why I did the triangle. Point towards the center, fold it down on the edge, give yourself a nice crease, and you're going to do that all the way around. So there you go. See? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to fold these edges in towards the center. So this edge is going to go towards the center. Okay. Go to the center. It's a lot of folding, but the folding is going to help in the center. So if you look at it, it's got a whole bunch of little folded squares. So you're going to open up two of your edges. And I'm going to cut on the diagonal. You see on this diagonal right here? You see? And I'm going to cut that diagonal out. I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to cut the diagonal here. Now I'm going to go to this side and cut it here. I'm going to go to this side and cut it here. That's four diagonals. All right. So here we are. You're going to take these two flaps on the edge and go in, just like this. And these two flaps and go in. Just like that. So now you have on one side a big triangle, across from it a big triangle. On the top it looks like a rectangle with a flap. Alright, now we're going to put this box together. Oh wait, one last thing. You put this in. You're going to want to fold this flap in and give it a nice crease. And fold this flap in and give it a nice crease. All right, now we're going to put this bad boy together. these two that look like a triangle, bring them up. Put these little triangle pieces in, bring this part of the box up, and you're gonna fold it over. Now if you fold it over really good, it will stay in place. All right, so here's the triangles. These triangles go in, triangle A, and pull this up. I'm going to face it towards you so you can see, and then push this flap down into the box. And then there's the top of your box. Now, what I like to do, I like to just put a little piece of tape on the inside to make sure that my flaps stay down. But it's going to show you one more time on the bottom of the box, because the bottom of the box is going to be a little bit different, and that's because you need to make your bottom box a little bit smaller. Just need it a little bit smaller. So I do the same type of triangle, but I've got a little overhang that I'm going to trim off. And then, let's see. All right. Now, I'm going to go to the other side, just to make sure that it is squared up, and it is. That's great. So you see, I just took a little sliver off to make that bottom box a little bit smaller. All right, let's show you the box one more time. Pointy edges. The pointy edges are going to go in. Now, my edges need to go in to the box. All right. Now I make my little cuts. Make my diagonals. Remember, I make one here. Now, what do I need to do? I need to reinforce some edges. Now it's time to make a box. I personally like for these flats that look like a triangle to be on my left and right, and I pull it up, and then I pull one flap up and over. The other flap, let me turn it around for you. The other flap up and over, and then I do my tape in the middle. All right. Now let's see if I actually made a bottom that fits the top. Because sometimes I'm really, really close. I was really close there, but guess what? It works. So just that sliver. There's my bottom box. There's my top box. I slide it on top. Perfect. And that's it, really. What I like to do is I like to, did my hair go crazy? Comment below what gift you would put in this box. Come back tomorrow for more Christmas crafting and Like It or Not's Merry Vlogmas. Please show us your love by subscribing, liking, and commenting on our video.